Hi, I'm Debbie, and I'm going to show you how to make paper beads out of your leftover book pages. So this is one bracelet that I made using memory wire and some beads and just a paperback book page. And then this is another one that I used using the pages of a magazine. For this, all you're going to need is a skewer or a toothpick, or if you were a younger kid, you might even be able to use a straw to make the bead. You're going to need some scissors and some glue. So you can rip the page out of the book, and all you're going to do is you're going to cut long triangles, and you can measure them if you'd like so that they're all exactly the same shape, or you can just cut them. And then you're going to take the fat end of the paper and you're going to roll it over your toothpick or your skewer. It's a little tricky to get it started, but once you get the hang of it, it's much easier. You're going to roll it all the way up till it looks like that. Then you're going to take a dab of glue. And you're just going to rub it all over the bead, and that closes it up, and then it also makes the bead a little bit harder. So that's your bead, and then you slide it off and you just let it dry. So we'll do that again. You take the triangle with the fat end and you're going to roll it on the skewer or on a pencil or a toothpick, whatever you have handy. You roll it all the way up, and it might kind of unravel, but that's okay. You just roll it back up again, put some glue all the way around it, just like that, and then you slide it off and you let it dry a little. And you can do the same with magazine pages. These pages are great because they're so colorful, and you can get a prettier looking bead. So the same technique, we're cutting a triangle, and we're going to roll it around the skewer. And then a little bit of glue. And I like to, on the magazine pages, I like to spin my fingers around it a little bit more, just because this paper is heavier than the paperback book pages. And there's your bead from a magazine page. Then you can get stuff like this. You can order it online. It's called memory wire, and it's like this. And you just decide how many loops that you want in your bracelet to have, and you snip it. And you can use, it's usually better to cut it with pliers. And then you can also use pliers, or if you have jewelry making pliers like this, you just turn the end under like that and make it as tight as you can. So that keeps the beads from falling off. So it looks like that. And then you just start stringing your beads on there. And then when you get to the end, you do the exact same thing with the other end. Or you can buy stretchy cord like this, and you can make necklaces, you can make bracelets, and then you can use all kinds of beads to add to it to make it as colorful as you would like. Hope you enjoy this. Thank you.